Hi there, welcome back. Who the heck is Nat? So today we're going to go over BankerX and Bankroll Flow, and we are also going to discuss Wise Token. Don't mind my mom in the background tending to the baby. Okay, so here goes. So Bankroll Flow, we have $231 in interest here. Total deposits right now in US dollars is $3,915. So we are going to claim today. Let's do it. We're going to accept a transaction, close that out. Great. So available should go to 0 here, and we should see the cash flow percentage come down. So now I'm going to go into the wallet here, and we'll see that BankerX in the wallet. So now I'm actually going to come over here, and we are going to go to SwapX. And we are going to swap our BankerX for Tron. So currently over here it shows I have 1,393 BankerX in order to, available to swap. So let's do 1,000, and we're going to transfer that to Tron. So currently I have 3,630 Tron, equivalent to 423 US dollars. And we are now going to make this swap for 1,000 BankerX. We're going to accept the transaction. Let's take a look here. And so that brought us up to 604 US dollars for a total of 5,179 Tron. Now, as you can see here, I'm down to no more Tron energy, so no more Tron transactions today. And BankerX is down to 393 BankerX tokens, and that brings the dollar amount to $64. So that's that. Easy enough, right? So my strategy right now with Bankroll Flow is a 1 day roll, 1 day off, 1 day roll, 1 day off, 1 day claim. So twice a week I'll roll, once a week I will claim. Right now current deposits $3,933, and cash flow percentage is down to 68%. From what I understand so far, if you get that down to 0%, that's a problem. Basically, it's just protection to make sure the system isn't completely drained, and to make sure that essentially people are putting in fresh deposits. I am still learning more and more about the cash flow percentage, and I will include more of that in one of my next videos. So today we just went over how to claim in Bankroll Flow, and then how to use SwapX to exchange your BankerX tokens to Tron. And now that's then stored in my Tron Link wallet. I do have other videos on how to make your deposits in Bankroll Flow, and how to use SwapX to exchange your Tron to BankerX. So check those videos out on my channel. The other thing I wanted to discuss today was Wise Token. Huge fan of Wise when it came out. I was one of the people that made reservations for Wise before it officially came out. I'm a little disappointed because, you know, the number of holders is decreasing. I'm not saying I don't believe in it anymore, because I do. The only thing is that, you know, if people's stakes come up and they keep exchanging back to ETH and walking away from Wise, then what's left of Wise? So that's not really a good sign. As you can see here, the holders is now down to 9,945 holders, and I keep seeing that number decrease. The founder, Peter, it's not for lack of effort on his part. I see that he's really trying. He's trying to get information about Wise out there. He's really trying to get people to, get the token and stake and get into the, the ETH Wise pair and add to the liquidity, which is great. But we need to see that increase in holders. So that's where we're at there. So I just wanted to quickly touch base on that. And that's about it for today. So we covered bankroll flow, how to claim and bankroll flow, and exchange BankerX to Tron. And then we quickly touched on Wise token. So if you're interested in Wise token, they have a 10% bonus on staking. And I can tell you that when I got in at 20 cents because of my Wise reservations. And so I got in at 20 cents. So now it's up to 45 cents. So still a good investment for me. And please always remember, my videos are for entertainment purposes only and are not financial advice, just sharing some of my experience. I will be having another video. I am super excited to say that I have found another token that really sparked my interest, and it's called Veracity. So I will be sharing another video about that, how to obtain your wallet and obtain the token itself. And I've also shared another video about Theta, which I'm super excited about. So we'll talk about that in the next video. So I hope you have a good morning, a good day, a good night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Talk to you soon.